Isang magandang araw po sa inyong lahat and welcome to another video here at the OCPH Powerhouse Workshop. In today's video, we are going to do an unboxing of the brand new sales that I received last Friday. I received 3 boxes, 20 pieces of brand new 125 ampere hour lithium iron phosphate cells. These are the battery packs for the OCPH Powerhouse Mini, and nabuksan ko na po yung dalawa, and this is the last of the 3 boxes. And let me share this with you. Okay, so there you go. Yan. Usually po may kasama tong mga bus bars and bolts nandun na sa isang box eh. So here you go. So let's put this on the side. And the first thing I do po when I receive sales is to check them for physical damage. So this is good. So what you are looking for is dapat wala siyang mga dents, and most importantly dapat hindi siya nakalobo o hindi rin siya nakalubog. Pag pinagtabi mo ang dalawang cell, lapat na lapat po ang kanilang pagitan. Okay, this is good. So we will take out 4 muna. So you need 4 of these cells to make a 12 volt battery pack. Kasi 1 is 3.2 volts. So you need 4 to be able to have a 12 volt system. Okay, so next po is to check the internal resistance of these battery packs by using an internal resistance battery tester. In this way, you will know if the battery is in good condition. Malalaman mo rin po dito yung voltage niya, and it should not go beyond or below 3.2 volts. Otherwise, may problem po yung cell kapag mas mababa siya sa 3.2. And as far as the resistance, it should not go beyond 0.2, 0.25. That would also be a sign of a bad cell. So this one is 0.2223 ohms at 3.29 volts. So this is good. And another thing po for the DIYers, when you are checking for the internal resistance, kunin po nyo dun sa base. Do not put the test lead sa thread. Magbabago po ang resistance result nyan kapag doon nyo kinukuha sa thread. Dapat po dun sa base. So you should put your lead dun po sa base ng terminal. Okay, that's good. Let's check that one. So ginagawa ko po to sa lahat ng cells to be sure that this is also good, that they are all in good condition. Kasi po kapag may naisama po na isang bad cell sa isang battery pack, it will affect the entire battery pack. It will affect the performance of the entire battery pack. Hindi po siya makakapag-store ng energy na expected. Kasi yung pong bad cell na yon, it's either na mas mabilis siyang mapupuno o mabilis siyang mauubos. And once that happens, liliit po yung capacity ng entire battery pack because of that one faulty cell. Okay, that's also good. So everything is okay. I have done this to each and every cell of this batch. Again, shout out to Terry Mart Green Power for facilitating these batteries. Enjoy your holidays. Thank you.
Power anytime, anywhere. Get your OCPH Powerhouse. and never worry about having enough backup power ever again.